Hello everyone, in this video I am gonna show you whether the website is a WordPress or not. Daily you visit a lot of website, but you might be curious that whether the website you visit is a WordPress website or not. Okay, I am gonna show you with some example. Let's visit some site. Okay, lapass.com. Okay, this is a digital marketing based website. Let's check whether it is a WordPress site or not. For that, right click and then inspect, right click and then click on inspect, and you will see like this, and then type Ctrl F and search for WORDPRESS WordPress. Okay, you can see content is equal to WordPress. If you see like this, then the website is a WordPress site. So let's check another site. Okay, this is Small Haven Travels. Okay, this is a travel based website. Let's check whether it is a WordPress site or not. For that, click on inspect, type in Ctrl F and then search for WordPress. Okay, you can see content is equal to WordPress 5.4.2. okay, you might also be curious whether that which theme that the site use. So for that, type in themes, MES. When you type themes, you can see themes/db, means this website use the db themes. You can see wp content /themes/db. okay, let's check for the another site which theme does this site use. Search for themes themes. Okay, you can see wp content /themes/astra. this site use astra themes. Okay, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.